Hello. This is room 2137 here on deck 12 on the Celebrity Silhouette. Here is where we are on the ship, and our muster station is down here. All right, you come into the room. To the left, we have the closets where you're gonna be putting your clothes at and stuff. And here we have a fairly nice size closet. Got enough hangers here with little pinchy bits for your clothes. We also have 2 robes. Do not take the robes home with you. They will charge you for these robes. We will see if they were fluffy. We're gonna go throughout the cruise and see if they're fluffy certified. You got the life jackets in case stuff hits the fan and you gotta go run. We have some slippers down here for your little tushies. All right. Oh, you have accessible racks right here, so you can also, they can hang their clothes here. And to the right, we have the other closet. We also have the other closet space. His and hers, you could say. But there's still an ample amount of hangers. And the accessible ring, just in case it's needed. You have a space up here for the tall people to put their clothes, or short people, we put one item and hope we don't forget about it. We have complimentary umbrella, in case it rains outside. I believe you need to leave this here as well. Do not take the umbrella or the small umbrella per size. And comes with a set of binos. You can be like, Razor 7, I see her. She sees me, okay? Do not take these either. And got some laundry bags in case you choose to use their laundry service. Shoe shine. Okay. If you feel so inclined, you can put yours in here. I do not know if there's a charge or not, but you can put your shoes in here and send them away and get them shined. I don't think it's gonna work on these, but got your laundry bag. You ever? This I think you can actually take with you.
Is a beach bag, I believe.
This is a beach bag, and I believe this may be complimentary.
And it
We shall
has
see.
Celebrity Cruises on it.
If you see me on another cruise and I got a celebrity beach bag, then you know they include it.
So that'll be a question that we ask our butler if the
bag is complimentary.
If we can take that.
Be like, can I have the bag? Can I at least have the bag? All right, we have just the standard hotel/cruise safe. Looks large enough for a small laptop or an iPad if you would like. You have your lower shelves, stash spots. And now we shall move on to the bathroom. The throne room. And we have a rather spacious bathroom. Looks nice. Hey, Gina! It's my camera woman. We got a marble top. Looks very nice. Bowl sink. Art Deco. We also have three-way mirrors. So you can go see yourself from 3 different perspectives. You'd be like, hey, do I look good on my left? Yep, I look good on my left. Open up. Seems empty space for to put your stuff. And this one right here with some glasses in case you need it. You have some retreat soap, special retreat soap, special retreat sour cap, and special retreat body lotion. I'm gonna have to make use of that. And they give you Q-tips. They give you complimentary Q-tips. Although it is noted that you should not use Q-tips. But they have them here just in case you do. In a little special case. And cotton balls. There you go. They got cotton balls. We have a plug-in for your plug-in items, for bathroom plug-in items.
Razor.
And razor. Kindly use toilet paper provided by the ship. Do not bring your own. In a different video, I recommended you bring your own toilet paper. And I was alerted by many people that you should not bring your own toilet paper because the toilet is specifically designed for the cruise toilet paper. So do not bring, don't do like me. Do not bring your own toilet paper. All right, we have some handhelds, washcloths. You have various drawers here. Oh, extra stuff. Hair dryer. Yeah. You also have, this is where they keep the spare toilet paper. Your trash, bathroom trash can. Here we have our shower. Oof, and the tub. Yes, I am the heathen that steps into it with my shoes. We have a wand that you can use so you can like shh, along with the top. So you have a rainfall shower and the water wand. So you can be like shh. We have settings for your water, for the shower and the water wand. They give you some complimentary shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And I appreciate them for separating them instead of on some of our last cruises where they were combined. You had shower, shampoo, water, shower gel. I guess it was just one thing to use for everything. Alrighty. Got your towels here in the back. Although I guess you're going to have to be careful if you're showering because if you misplace your water wand and spray the wrong spot, you have just wet your towel that you need to dry off on. So I would recommend moving them before shower. Got a shower curtain. That's the one no-no. As nice as this shower is, they got a shower curtain. A shower curtain, man. All this niceness and a shower curtain. But I guess that evens out. All right, moving back out into the main room. We have our large room. What we got next to the bed, we have a light for this side with light switch. So you could turn on either all the lights in the room. I think that's, yep, all the lights in the room, or just this one. Standard old school phone. No USBs this time. But let's check on the other side. You have ample, looks to be ample dresser space for your unmentionables. We're not going to mention your unmentionables. As they have updated the ship, this is one of the reminders that yes, it is an older ship because they have the old school cold or hot. We don't know exactly what temperature is, just that it's cold or hot. One of the two. But I think they've made significant upgrades. Seems a rather large, plush, palatial bed. Opulent bed. What seem to be 4 pillows, along with your X pillow, the X-Men pillow. Yes, this is where Professor X lays his head and does his cruises. And so they gave him a very special pillow. On this side of the bed, we have another lamp. Not as fancy as the other one, but it does have some USBs. 2 USBs to be exact, so you can charge stuff. Along with dresser space, night dresser space. Ooh, guess they forgot that one. Hey, sometimes stuff happens. Sometimes they miss stuff.
I'm sure they didn't come out your bag.
Did it come out my bag?
I don't know. Looks like one of ours. Throw it away. No, it's got hair on it.
Nah, this ain't mine. I know that ain't mine. We have a sofa, which actually turns into a bed. So technically you can sleep 3 people in this room.
4.
Actually 4, because this looks like you can fit 2 people in this bed. So technically, I believe you could fit 4 people on there. Whether they advertise it as such or not, I do not know. Have a nice little table with a little stool for champagne that they given us, the Duc de l'On Brut, along with 2 glasses, complimentary. This was complimentary. We can take that with us. I'll be drinking at the next New Year's. Over here we have the dressers area, which seems to be a rather long dresser area. You got two three-prong American plugs right here, and one European plug. Light switch for to turn on the lights. You have the mystery slot. I'm not sure what it is. And you have some dresser drawers right here. You have this in here in case you want to buy some of them. We have one. Oh, I was about to say two, but no, one one desk drawer right here. Although you do get a table, and it is wide, so I'll give them that.
More like a makeup area.
More like a makeup area. We have some cubby holes down here with some complimentary. Well, I can't say complimentary towels. These, I believe, are your towels for when you go on shore. I think. Pretty sure that's what they're for. You also have some more long dressers. If there's one thing this room has, it is ample storage space and dresser space. So you can stash all your stuff. Here we move on to this side right here, where you also have areas for the stash your stuff. Here we have the cooler with complimentary items in it. And because of the category of room we have access to this stuff. So if we so choose, we could have whatever Coke and Diet Coke and Evian water and Heineken organic beer, whatever this is, that we wanted. I'm more partial to the Pellegrino.
Put those in there.
We have complimentary water that comes with the room that I'm putting in here because I like nice cold water.
Put it up the top.
Well, the thing about it is you got the Evian. And I, for one, would choose the Evian water over the True water.
Well, isn't that bubbly?
Which one, the Evian?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think that's sparkly. Is it sparkling? No, this is natural spring water.
Oh, okay.
It is not the bubbly water.
Well, put them both in there. Put them both in there. Leave them in there.
Leave them in there? Okay. But at least they give you a choice of which water you would like. You have your ice tray here for your ice, complimentary ice. I usually get ice and water, so you can take your medicine or whatever. And a little tray here. Ooh, okay. Now we will move out to the balcony, which appears to be a rather nice, large balcony. Ah, yes, the briny spring. Check out that nice blue water, the oceans, the dolphins, the fish. Oh, we ain't left port yet. My bad. But we do have this nice chair here. A lounging chair. Adjustable. Is it adjustable?
No. I think they put the thing on.
Oh, they put the thing on so you can't. With the left? Ah, yes.
Footstool.
Footstool.
With a table.
With the table. Over here on the side so you can have your cup of coffee in the morning. And for breakfast, if you want to have breakfast, you have a nice. So not only do they have a little small table for you, they have a large table so you can have breakfast on the balcony. If you'll notice on here, this particular room has an overhang. Now, depending on your preferences, it can either be a good thing or a bad thing. If you like to have a lot of sun on you while you're out at sea, you probably won't like this because you'll be hard pressed to get any sun. If, however, you're like me and you don't want the sun burning down on you, but you want to sit out in the daytime, this overhang is just headed. We are totally. Got the end of this shit. Oh, and it's kind of far. We could actually have a game of catch in here. Be like, hey, baby, go to me, back, go here, go back, go there. I can't reach it. I can't reach it. I can't reach it. So it is a rather large size balcony. I like it. They have the glass here so you can see out on the side when you're looking here. Some of them, it's plastic and you can't see out if you're sitting down. This one is glass. I like it. Clear glass. Although it could be clean, but I'm sure they'll do that at some point throughout the cruise. Anyway, this is room 2137. Thank you very much. Please give us a little hit the little thumbs up button and come watch some more videos.